की खूबर का बातें सी टीवी रखे का फ्रैंक यामाहा खटन रियोसनम या गजिंग शक्री गजोंका बदन आयस ngो भाषा बारो की नोंग थी थुक थुक रिंगकट का कबुक शेर बन लोंग की नोंग जॉब या संतली की लैपटॉप कने का ऑफर कन कोट हाका लाइफ होतरी उनाई लुर 8000 आर पुसाव
Kerlong shisha ka jingker khu ye ka Shillong Lajong football club ba happening ka jingpen kre ye ka jingale kai I league jangga samoy arajar phosau arajar phosan mentak la soi ka jingate kular ba ka star cement ka ban Tyngka ye ka ne ka samoy jangga jingale kai ha ka diga sngi bi soi ka skular na kalyang ka Shillong Lajong football club lawan ban mi khaman de uba haba mutlang lingdo ubri chief executive officer ka Shillong Lajong ka ban ka star cement lawan mi Dr. Purohit ubri chief executive officer ka star cement ya ka ni ka jing soi ban Tyngka re ka star cement ya ka Shillong Lajong football club lapin long Marian but haba kran Dr. Purohit lapin pau baling ba ka ni ka jing Tyngka kan kinti ka kam ye le kai hapo ka jila Meghalaya but kumjuru ya ka than jate la mi ngi uba haba mutlang ubri chief executive officer ka Shillong Lajong habi kran makbate CTV lapin pau bagan ka jing Tyngka jang ka star cement kanyarap shibon ye ka club pat kham tam ikirang ye lekai shu lapin te baga club hading ka duran kam klanang pen klan shu da ka ba kala thit ikirang ye lekai bathamai baki Kyrmen scam baki dan ka jing Kyrmen ban yora ya ka thong men tausnem
This is an announcement of the sponsorship by Star Cement for Shillong Lajong for the upcoming I-League. So we are very happy and delighted to be associated with such an iconic establishment like Star Cement, and we look forward to this partnership. And we believe that this partnership, this association will benefit the football in Meghalaya and also football in the Northeast.
Proud moment for us. It's not only that we are coming along with the best of the football club that we have, Shillong Lajong FC, but it is more importantly, we coming along with football. We coming along with people of Meghalaya, people of Northeast, and making sure that the football as a sport is supported very well. Football as a sport is brought to the forefront, and this is the most important sporting activity that people in Northeast and more so in Meghalaya does, and thus it is very pertinent for us to get associated with football, and the best club that we could have associated with is Shillong Lajong FC, and I'm happy and grateful to the club that they have accepted to come along, and these two entities will certainly make sure that the football and the sporting activities are developed in our state, in our area, and for that, whatever is required, Shillong Lajong FC is doing from their end, and Star Cement will certainly support them in time to come as much as possible in all the activities possible. While we are doing this signing up of agreement with Shillong Lajong FC today, we are also embarking upon a big activity tomorrow morning, and that is our market storming, in which we will be doing a lot of activities in the markets of Meghalaya for our brand, in which we will be doing a lot of efforts as far as going out to our dealers, our sub-dealers, to our home builders, and to meet them, to understand their requirements, to make them understand of the product qualities that we are offering. So this will be a big activity that we will be taking up in next 3 days, and for which we have gathered more than 50 team members of Star Cement are here in Shillong today, and we will be embarking upon this activity in a big manner tomorrow morning. Lajong FC Football Club for upcoming I-League matches that will be starting from end of October, and we are looking forward to the success of our club, and this is our club, Lajong.
I'm sure this association will go a long way, and football in Northeast, which is possibly one of the most popular sports we will see newer lights, and with Star Cement support, we hope that Shillong Lajong FC, which is one of the best clubs in India, rise higher and soars even higher.
Ningkong nga penpau ka jing kublai ka jing sungu ka Star Cement bakala ya kular menta begini ya so bat ni hagani ka I League ka banwan ka di arhajar arsan te hak jing mentoi ti ka club te kala yo jing mentoi shibon because nge phi su thu hi ban penyat club ana benta I League te ngidon kam resource shibon te bat ngilaya menta ngidang prepare ki khna ki dang training man kasi player berkhot ki coaching staff ki dang train man kasi te kani ga jing karni ko one sponsorship jong ka Star Cement te kani rap bhai ki khna jongi ki player ki badan ha ka squad menta na benta jala jong because nginyo ban prepare bha ya ka team na benta ka I League te kani long ka bergade ka full season te kan yarap shibun ya ki ai ya ke preparations jongi nadu long bangi bon ki tournament le ka ki I League ki Shillong Premier League Meghalaya State League but ki Youth League te nakatagada long nyai kublai ya ka Star Cement but ka Star Cement te long ngathrai ka dehi manchwa ngathrai arjar khat lai khat saul adan hi ke jing ya kren manchwa shwa bar ka one ka Aircel te ngathrai ka dei ka way company ka balong leading cement company ha ka North East te ngilai don jing mod hi te long ya don bok ba menta ka ayo menta kilaya kular ban yesterday lang bat ni kalong baik nadu basdang menta ka I League kan sedang benai Oktober te nadu basdang ka I League kan kot baik hadu da kot I League hadu April Mei ninga dauru mi laya kemen bangin ya soalang bat ki bangi don jing Kyrmen bak play hi menchwagi sponsor jong Lajong kemdei baswan sisnam Arsenal kia don ka jingete ka bakham jo cibon ni yo antaka jing Kyrmen ba kadang taka support mo na ki company kan kadang ai kublai ya Star Cement pelawan mikmat ban yarap yangi haka ya jingile jing pen tebet football ki khna jungi kadishis nam menta ka menta kadishis nam ngila ai ketika announcement ngatrai ki don ki foreigner arngot ngila wanra way striker Douglas Stardin na Brazil bodon udan men last season ban ngi wan tang lai benai hadin tu dan so Renan Paulinho di captain last year tu lawan yeso biang bangi la extend biang ka agreement kidan kini ki kena kasi bade kum utremiki menchwa dan Lajong hadin la ale rang reje tu lawan phai wa bor kum jo hi ke dan hapo Lajong menchwa dang red hadin la ale charang reje lawan phai biang tu don kit bok cream udan menchwa Shillong Lajong badang red hadin u le kai ka Delhi FC I League mencham snam wa mental dan bangi men long ka thok ngi ban ra ai ka I League hi ba ngi Kyrmen ba long phitep hi da the job I League tingi nerung ISL te kata hi long ka thong ka jongi mentang season